like most people in Australia, rely very heavily on leader systems as
Yep.
our distributor. They're not the best on price, but their service is incredible. And I think that's what a lot of MSPs find. So you really get embedded into their ecosystem. Um, their main office, their head office for the entire country is, I don't know, 200, 100 meters away from our office. So we literally walk to their office, pick up our stock, and walk back. So we purposely put our new office next to theirs because of how much we like their distribution.
Neat. Okay. And you're in Adelaide, is that correct?
We're in Adelaide, correct?
Right.
That's where,
Yeah.
and I know the managing director. He's a great guy. So you got the Dickadatas of the world and whatnot, but being able to literally walk out, pick up the stock that we want, and walk back to the office and configure it beats next day shipping all day every day.
Sure. Yeah. If you get to pick your own, then no, you only have yourself to blame if there's a mistake on picking it, right?
Exactly. And going back to my point where SupplierSync has just opened up the entire catalog again, it's really nice to be able to rejig our process from going from tickets and emails to do difficult quotes because we just don't have the hardware in Quota, to just being able to pump everything through Quota, which was always our intention. Having everything in one place, people can refer back to it. The client has a record of who signed for it. It's all the way that we wanted it to be. And initially, we only did the managed service quotes through Quota because of that. And that's fine because you can pre-fill all the hardware that you would most often quote for a new client. But existing clients have, crazy requests for all like to come up with really interesting items. And it also meant people were waiting before SupplierSync because they might ask for some hardware and I go, I don't really want to add that item to Quota. So there's a lot of nuance to that item. There's like 3 different variants. That's a lot of work for me to add into Quota, and I don't really want to do that. So I'll draft up a long email of all the pros and cons, and it's just redoing what Quota already solves. Like Quota solves that problem for us, but the only missing aspect was not syncing to our supplier.
And now that solution is kind of come to. And how did you find it? Were there any challenges using this kind of the CSV to upload or getting it to link into Product Cloud, or does that all work fairly smoothly?
Yeah, so there was just like few early little hiccups in getting it to click together, but as soon as I raised them with Ash, like his team or him solved it within a day, which is great.